Hello, my name is Massimo Paglia and I'm a product application engineer for MCU Industrial Microcontrollers. Today I'm going to show you the Power Suite with PSOC Control C3 demo. What it is about is a training kit plus the software portion of it. In regards to the hardware, we have a Totem PFC kit, interleaved version. This specific kit is a replica of a high voltage Totem PFC, but is working in a safe environment. In fact, it's a scaled down version by factor of 10. This is powered up by an AC transformer to allow to have galvanic isolation. Input is 23 volt RMS and the output is going to be 40 volt DC. This can be seen from the DC load, which currently we are using to showcase the control capability of the firmware that is running on the PSOC Control C3 microcontroller. I can modify the output load in order to show you that the output voltage is going to be maintained. On the other side, from the software portion, what I want to demonstrate here is our graphical user interface that we are today providing with the Power Suite pack. This is the oscilloscope functionality where up to 4 internal variables are captured and are streamed through PMBus communication. On the other side, we can send commands like for regular PMBus communication, for example, to turn on and off the application or to change the output voltage. If you are interested in to know more about the application, please visit our website. You can find more information about Power Suite on the Infineon.com webpage, or you can refer to the public page for the kit PSC3 PFC1.